Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Abacha, okay? And it happens to be my comfort food, and it's made from dried cassava flakes. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. All right, so here I have cooked pomo already. I already cooked everything, okay? And this is some palm oil. In here I have some bouillon seasoning, salt, Cameroon pepper, and ground ehuru. And this is what it looks like before grinding. It's also known as calabash, nutmeg, and you can get this in your local market. So here I have some chopped cucumber, some onions, and some Utazi, and this is Ugba. There is no Abacha without Ugba and Potash, okay? You can't make Abacha without these two ingredients. They are very important. This Potash is what will be used to thicken the palm oil, and trust me guys, if you don't have it, just forget about it. And you need a strainer again. And the star of the dish, Abacha. This is the dried cassava flakes. This is what it looks like when you get it from the market. And of course you need an empty bottle. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I use this bottle for. You can get creative and use something else, but I prefer the bottle, and I'll show you why. Okay, so you need to get some water in the bottle, okay? And you want to throw in your potash, and again you need to break them in pieces so they can pass through the bottle cap. All right, so when that's done, you just want to cover it tightly and you shake. Okay, so you want to leave this to sit for as long as it takes the potash to dissolve in the water. I think mine took about 20 to 25 minutes. Yours might be less. Okay, so while that is dissolving, I went ahead to prep the rest of my ingredients. So I soaked the abacha in room temperature water. I didn't use hot water, guys. And you can see it's already separated and it looks okay to work with. And it looks like Singapore noodles. So I just took that out to strain, and then at that time my potash was ready to be sieved out. Okay, so the reason you see why I prefer to use the bottle, so you don't make a mess when you're doing this, and you just want to sieve out the rest of that liquid. And you can see I have some leftover particles from the dissolved potash. Okay, so let's get started. So in a clean bowl, you want to add some palm oil. Okay, so I'm going to list the measurements to all of the ingredients I used in my description below. Make sure to check that out. Okay, and then I started by adding my dissolved potash in the palm oil, and you'd see what happens when I start to stir this. And make sure you get this right, guys. You don't want to fail this part of this process. Okay, so you can see it turns into a thick, bright orange mixture. Okay, so that's what happens when you use the potash and the palm oil. You just can't use raw palm oil for this. It's not done that way. Okay, so when you're done stirring, you want to throw in your salt, your Cameroon pepper, your bouillon seasoning, and the calabash nutmeg. And you want to mix this very well and until everything is incorporated. After mixing this thoroughly, you want to start combining everything. So I started with the abacha, all right, already strained. So I threw all of that in and followed that with Ugba. And mind you, there are different ways to make abacha. This is just one of them. I have other different ways that I make this stuff. Okay, so this is just one of them. So I added my diced cucumbers and my pomo. Okay, so I mixed everything really well, ensuring that every abacha, every Ugba, cucumber was properly coated in the mixture. All right, so after mixing these, I went ahead to sprinkle my Utazi leaves. These leaves are very bitter, so please ensure that you use the quantity that you can eat, okay? And then I proceeded to add in my onions. And guys, this is it. I mean, there's nothing more to making abacha. So there you have it. We are done. Okay, so guys, if you got to this point in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to leave me a comment section below. And if you try this recipe, please let me know as well. Like I always say, ensure to make this for someone that you love, someone that you care about, and let me know what the feedback was in the comment section, guys. And again, please, no abacha without some fried fish. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.